Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I was bad. I went into Michael's. They had a 20% off sale and regular price purchase coupon, and I was supposed to be doing a no spend April month, but they have this new collection called Summer Fiesta. You guys probably have seen it, but I really wanted that stuff, and it's 50% off, which is pretty like normal, but then they had this 20% off coupon, and I want it. Cinco de Mayo's coming up, and I wanted to have it so I could like make something for that, and I'm just really excited, and I just love it, and I love pretty much anything that's like that Mexican Spanish culture. Like, I don't know, I just love the colors, the patterns, the themes. I just love it all. So like Cinco de Mayo and Day of the Dead, like I love those days. Like, I mean, I don't really celebrate them because it's not very like, obviously like, I'm not Spanish at all, so I don't really celebrate, but I do love the colors and everything, and I love when those things come out, and I do respect those holidays. So I wanted to go and get that stuff, and I wasn't supposed to. I spent $40, which isn't bad because I got a lot of stuff, but it's $40 more than I was supposed to spend. But I'm just going to go ahead and get into and show you what I got, and then at the end of this video, I'm going to be doing a giveaway so you guys can win some stuff. I just wanted to thank you guys for subscribing to my channel and supporting me, because I am already at, I think, 575 subscribers last I checked, and it's just really exciting, and I'm really thankful, and this has been so much fun making YouTube videos and getting to share my creations with you. So it's really fun, and I just want to do a little giveaway. It's not very big, it's small, but I will show you all of that stuff at the end and tell you all of the rules. But right now I'm just gonna go ahead and show you what I got from Michael's. So first things first, I got two clearance items, and they're both the same, obviously. These were only $1. They're just those little sequin mixes. Well, not really mixes, but there's 4 different colors of sequins, and then they have these little plastic bottles, and they were only $1, which I thought was a really good deal, because at the dollar store you can buy the packs of sequins, and then you can also buy the little jars, but I thought these ones were really cute with the cork tops, and they already comes with the sequins in them, so that cuts out the work I have to do. Not that it's hard to put sequins in there, but I just thought they were really cute, and they're only $1, so 25 cents each little thing. And I got 2 of them, so I could maybe, I'm not sure if I need sequins, but if I need these colors, I'll have one for me, and then one to split up and put in the embellishment boxes and things like that. But yeah, got sequins for only $1 each. I got this little pack of flowers. I think it was $2, and then, oh, I got 40% off. So these were $1.60, or not 40% off, 40 cents off, 20% off. These were only $1.60. They're from the like $2 section, but I just saw these. These are the only ones I saw in that bin, so I picked them up. I thought they were really pretty, and I've been doing some more vintagey style projects, so I just wanted to pick these up. I thought they would be cute on embellishment boxes and things like that. I picked up this paper pad, and I did not go to get this collection, but I thought it was so freaking cute. This paper pad was only $2.39. Like, that's a really good deal. See, this is why I had to go. Like, I didn't need this stuff, but I needed this stuff, and I needed them for this price. So I'm just going to do a quick flip through. It's double-sided, which is really nice. I could have gotten the one with the gold foiling on it, but I like papers that are double-sided, and I don't usually have them in 12 by 12. I think I have one 12 by 12 double-sided pad, so I usually get them in 6 by 6. What's the point of that story? So I really like them. And for $2.39, I mean, come on, you can't blame me. This is so cute, and it's perfect for embellishment boxes, making embellishments to go in those boxes. Great for, what do you call them? Pocket letters. Like, it's just perfect for everything. And I thought this was so cute. Summer's coming up, and I really wanted to get the die set and the stamp sets that they had in this collection, but I said no. I need to save money, so I didn't get any. But maybe next time around if they have like a 60% off coupon, and if it's not on sale or something like that. I don't know. We'll see. I picked up one sticker, or like, yeah, set of stickers. These stickers were $1.49, so not bad at all. They're shakers, and they're really cute. And I got these specifically because I need to make 2 birthday cards for my friends, and I just saw these like on the rack. They had a ton of new stickers, and I know you guys have probably already seen them, but when I went to go, when they had that 60% off sticker sale, like probably a month ago, I ordered online. I did not go to the store, so I ordered online, and I didn't get to see all the new stickers, but these were part of the new sticker set, so I got these, and I thought they'd be really cute. I got this from the $2 section. I think it was $2, yeah. But oh, I think this actually was $1.60 with my coupon, but I picked this up just to throw in a gift for my friend, because this is kind of the theme I'm going with, and yeah, I just thought it was really cute, so I picked that up for her. And then last, before I get into the Summer Fiesta collection, I got these like metal looking tags. I think they're actually just paper, yeah. But I thought they were really cute and would look great for like summer, like farmhouse style things. So that's why I picked up these. I got 2 of them. And again, I think these were only $1.60. And now I will show you the summer Fiesta stuff, which I am so excited about. I don't know if anybody else is excited as I am, but I'm super excited. I got these stickers, which were only, I think these were $1.99. So anything $4.99 was $1.99. So I got these stickers. They're the 3D ones. Super cute. I love these. And then I got the little puffy stickers. I usually don't buy things like this, but I was just making embellishments with the Coastal Village collection, and I picked those up when they were like, I think I got them for like $1.20 or something. So I got those, and I actually really love them on embellishments. Like, they just give that extra pop. So I picked up, of course, in this collection. I love this. Look at the little banners. That's so cute. I love it. And then I got, oh, I thought I was going to get 2 of these, but then Jessie was like, I'm not a big fan of those. So I only got 1, and I don't know why, but I know why, because I let her talk me out of it because I need to save money. But I should have gotten 2 because my heart wanted to. But these, again, were only $1.99. These are just so cute. Look at them. They're so cute. Like crepe paper embellishments. You could totally, maybe I'll make them. I'll look and see how they're made. And then I have crepe paper right here. I could totally make these. We'll see. Maybe I'll do a tutorial on how to make these. But that's super cute. I love these. And then I got this paper pad, and this was actually, like, more expensive than I would normally spend on paper like this, but it was only $3.99, so not bad. But, it's all just, like, cut out. They're the little, like, banner pennant things, and they're just so pretty, and I love them, and they kind of remind me of the ones in Coco. If you haven't seen that movie, you definitely should see Coco. I've seen it 3 times. So far. I own the movie, so I'll be watching it again. But I just thought this was really cute. I do wish they had like a Sugar Skull one, but it's not Day of the Dead season, so these are cute. I love these, and I'll probably share pineapples with my friend if she wants them because she loves pineapples. So yeah, got these. And then I got this paper pad. I picked up both of the paper pads, the big one and the little one, just because, girl, you cannot keep me away from this. Like, I just love this collection so much. But this one is not double-sided, but it's still really cute. Has the gold foiling on there, so that's why it's not double-sided. Usually if it's gold foiling, they don't do double-sided, but that is just so cute. You can't tell me that you would not run to the store to get this. And I, of course, love this page. I love these banner things. I want them hung up in my room. Maybe I'll make some to hang in my room. I just think they're so cute. And then I got the die cuts as well. I don't know if they're stickers or just die cuts. I'm not sure. But, whoa. They're cool. I got them. And I love them. And then last but not least, I'm going to show you the bigger paper pad, the 12x12. And then I'll show you everything for the giveaway. So this is the 12x12 paper pad. I'm pretty sure it's exactly the same as the little one. But just in case you're interested in seeing the patterns bigger, 50% with treatments. That's cool. In case you're interested, there are some different pages in here because that wasn't in the little one. But I love all the gold foiling. I love the bright, pretty colors. Everything is so happy. Oh, this page is so pretty. Everything's so happy and like summery and just beautiful. And look how cute that is. Like, you could make a piñata or something out of that. Like, that's just so cute. And I just, honestly, I love it. I cannot sit here and express to you how much I... Stop. Like, look how cute that is. That is adorable. Definitely going to be making a lot of stuff with this. And, oh, by the way, this was $7.99, and then the little one was $2.39. So, not bad. Usually you can get 12x12s paper pads for, like, $5 or whatever, like, under $5 for something, if they're the Hot Buy ones. But since this isn't Hot Buy, it's part of the collection. And it has gold foiling, like, not bad. $7.99 is a good price to get them, and I just threw that, so sorry about that. But that is everything I got from Michael's. I spent a total of $38.70. I saved $40.08. So, I mean, I saved half my money, that I would have spent on all this stuff, so it's not bad. But I'm going to show you guys now what I'll be giving away. It's just a small giveaway. I ordered this stuff with the Coastal Village collection sale type thing, but I'm going to be giving you guys a roll of washi tape, or not a roll, a tube of washi tape. Comes with 8, I want to say, yes, 8, and they're all super pretty. I'll show you this way too, just in case. But you get 1 tube of washi tape, a pack of the Coastal Village stickers, which they're super cute with the flamingo and the little turtle. I love the little turtle. That's so cute. So you get those. And then I'll also be giving you this paper pad, and I'll have to do a flip through in case you haven't seen it yet. But this paper pad is single-sided with gold foiling on it. Really pretty, and I have one of my own as well, which I just used to make some embellishments. Actually, I used the double-sided one, but like these are really cute, and this was great for embellishments, great for embellishment boxes, things like that. And I have used this paper on, I made my friend the pink zebra, the unicorn crafter is her YouTube channel name, but I made her an embellishment box and sent her some of these things as well, and I used this paper pad to decorate it. My own, obviously. This is brand new. Everything here is brand new, besides things all I made, but I made her something with this, and it was really cute. And then the last thing that I bought that I will give to you is earrings, and this seems super random. I mean, obviously you can wear these if you want. I thought they looked really cute with all of this. The colors match, like the orange color, and you can wear these if you want, but they also are perfect for washi houses or charms on things. So in washi houses, I usually glue them up in the corner, and it kind of looks like what do you call this, a chandelier or something hanging down from the ceiling. Or you can use them as a charm on like a keychain or something, on a keychain or something like that. And then when you're done, you can also punch out something from the card. So I saw this idea from Rosa's Creative Way. I always say where I got it because I just thought it was a genius idea. Like, I don't know why I never thought of that, but she's the one who gave me that idea. So you'll get some earrings, and then last but not least, you will also get these 4 embellishments that I made. I spent all day yesterday making embellishments like this. I was out in the sun, and I don't know if my camera is picking up the color. I mean, from where I can see, it's not picking up the color, but also it's at an angle, but I am burnt, like burnt, and I have a farmer's tan. It's really bad, but it was worth it. Spring is here in New York, and I don't mind one bit. First day of spring, and I'm burnt, but it's fine. But anyways, I made these embellishments, and then I packaged them just on some packaging from Joann's. And yeah, you'll get these embellishments. And all of this, all you have to do is be a subscriber to my channel. You have to follow my Instagram account, and I'll have all these rules posted down below, don't forget. So subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I have to be able to see that you're subscribed. And then follow me on Instagram, which I can always see. And then you have to be over 18, by the way, because there's some rules on YouTube that you have to be over 18, so I don't want to get in trouble. So over 18, and then also you can live anywhere. This is not only open to the US, you can live anywhere, so anybody can enter this giveaway, which is really exciting because my last giveaway was only open to people in the US, but anywhere in the world you can enter. And then last but not least, I will post a picture which you all have to go to, and I will link the picture down below so it's easy and you can tell which picture it is. It'll be a picture of all this stuff, and you'll just have to comment on that picture your favorite thing, like what you're most excited about or what you're gonna do with this stuff. I don't know, whatever you want to post, really. And then and then you have to tag somebody, and you can tag as many people as you want, and each person you tag in a separate comment will be an entry on Instagram. And I'm not going to do any YouTube entries, it's just on Instagram, because that makes it easy to tell who is entering, and I don't have to go to 2 different places. So you do have to have an Instagram to win this, unfortunately, but if you don't have an Instagram, you probably should get one because Instagram is awesome. I see lots of fun ideas on there, and I also learn a lot about some other YouTubers on there, so it's cool. But yeah, so that's all you have to do to enter this giveaway. It's completely free, and I'm really excited to send this out to somebody. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Number 1, because I'm cool, and number 2, so you can enter the giveaway. And then give me a thumbs up on this video if you liked it, and then I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!